Ready to go?
Yeah, excited.
I'm going to Kerala, Cochin.
Let's roll the intro.
Those hands and lights can't stop me. I just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from the sky. When I'm with you, when I'm with you, I'm with you. That I get when looking down from the sky. It's me down. Can't give up this feeling. It's me down. Can't give up this feeling. It's me down. Can't give up this feeling. Those hands and lights can't stop me. I'll just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from the sky.
We have now reached Cochin Airport, and now we are gonna go out to meet the driver. So we have a private car who's gonna take us to Munnar, all the way from Cochin to Munnar. That's another 4 hours, 4 hours drive. The first stop is a waterfall. I don't know, they say it's a really famous waterfall, so let's see once we reach there.
What you see on the left are all solar panels. This is for the airport. This is the world's first airport to run on solar energy.
Give up this feeling.
And now we are at clay oven. I think you can see it behind. It'll be twisted, but yeah. So we are here. Just have a tea and refreshments, and then we'll move on further. The green salad that we ordered, and here's the lemon rice with curd and pickle.
Give up this feeling. Those hands and lights can't stop me. I just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from the sky. When I'm with you, when I'm with you, I'm with you. That I get when looking down from the sky.
So we finally checked into the hotel. It got dark, so I couldn't film outside. So I'll just show you guys the room that we booked. The hotel's name is Iceberg Resort. It's in Munnar, and we've got a room with a balcony view apparently, but it's too dark to see outside right now. But I'll still try to show you guys if we can actually see anything. I'll just show you a quick glimpse of the room. All right, give me a second. And so we have the bathroom here. This is where our key is, and when you enter, this is our room. So there's all my stuff lying down there, my cap and my earphones and jazz. That's Anya's phone charging. So this is the room. We've got a TV, remote. There's a bags in there, and this, yeah, it has light outside. Let's see if we can. So this is the balcony. It's dark, but it's the cars that are parked. Let's hope we get a good view in the morning. So if you take the standard room, it comes with no balcony, and with the premium, apparently there is a balcony. Hopefully with a view. We'll have to see that in the morning. Alright, so I'll see you guys later. Take care. Bye. Good night.
Those hands and lights can't stop me. I just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling.